Are you looking for the best portable hammock stands? In this video, we will look at some of the 6 best portable hammock stands on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Taleco Gear Hammock Stand. Built using durable steel tubing frames, Taleco Gear's size A swing can be a much-needed addition to your spaces. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor spaces ranging from your patio and garden to even your backyard. The powder-coated steel used in this swing reduces the chances of rusting and tipping, and comes with a patented design that is easy to assemble. It is suitable for various types of swing seats, and has a capacity of 300 pounds. To help you fix a swing seat, this swing comes with a complimentary buckle and a short chain. Number 2. Sorbus Double Hammock Stand. The hammock swing from Sorbus is durably built to be suitable for children and adults, thanks to its 5 adjustable height positions. The stand is durable enough to withstand weight up to 450 pounds, and has an extensive usage of powder-coated steel, making it durable enough to accommodate 2 people simultaneously. This swing is available in 3 sets of vibrant colors, and comes as a package that includes a hammock, a steel stand, and installation hardware. To help you carry your hammock wherever you go, this stand comes with a carrying case. Number 3. Wintming Camping Hammock. Made using breathable and comfortable 70D nylon and 3000 waterproof finish. The Wintming Camping Hammock is built with a capacity of 440 pounds, and comes with a pop-up and a loop strap to help you install and use it during your leisure times. Thanks to the spacious build, you can now enjoy more space without feeling claustrophobic. For hassle-free time using this camping hammock regardless of the climate, it comes with a rainfly and a net to keep you safe from unfavorable weather conditions like rain and scorching summers. The hammock cover is available in camo, orange, and green colors. Number 4. Durable Goods Portable Hammock Stand. Here is a portable hammock stand equipped with a UPF 50+ rated sunshade canopy to block out the sun and shade your face. It comes with a basket and drinks pockets to help you store drinks, jackets, towels, and snacks. The hammock is made from 210T parachute nylon, and is made 75D thicker, with a weight range of 250 pounds. Whether you want to sit and chill or nap, you will not need any trees or ropes to tie the hammock to. This hammock stand is available in basic and upgraded sizes, and in blue, green, and orange. Number 5. Pirny Hammock Chair Stand. You can now unwind and spend quality time by taking this Pirny hammock chair stand with you. Manufactured using soft and environment-friendly cotton, the padded cotton swing chair can go soft on your skin. Its polyester interface comes as an external design that makes hanging a chair comfortable and easy to balance. The swing also boasts 2 swing hooks to hang your swing, and a physical structure made using rust-proof iron tubes that measure 15 inches in diameter. Further, the swing is available in white and gray shades. Number 6. Sunnydaze Portable Hammock Stand. The Sunnydaze Portable Hammock Stand is built to accommodate up to 330 pounds and hammocks up to 10 feet wide, especially the Sunnydaze cotton fabric hammocks. Whether you want to install a hammock indoors or outdoors, it has got you covered. It also features 2 stabilizing bars that come in handy to help you relax seamlessly. The frame has a heavy gauge steel tube measuring 1 inch. That comes in handy for a durable but lightweight build, so that you can move it around. This stand comes with a 1-year warranty for a worry-free purchase.